Space has always symbolized possibility, wonder, and exploration, but today it also carries a hidden threat: orbital debris. Millions of fragments from broken satellites, discarded rocket stages, and decades of space activity now orbit our planet. These fragments may be small, but their impact is massive. Traveling at speeds up to 28,000 kilometers per hour, even a paint chip can destroy spacecraft. NASA has tackled this challenge with radar tracking and satellite laser ranging. These systems help monitor debris, but they are reactive, not predictive. They alert us after a threat is imminent, leaving little time for safe maneuvering. As space becomes more crowded, this approach is no longer enough. We need smarter, faster, and more proactive solutions. That's where our team, Orbit Shield, comes in. This innovation was made possible by a passionate team. The team members are Saima Sultana Lamisa, Research Specialist and UI/UX Designer, Minhas Ahmed, Front-End Web Developer, Pranto Dhar, Machine Learning and Data Analyst, Miskatul Muntasir, Backend Web Developer, Jobiur Rahman, Content Creator, and Tanjim Ahmed, UI/UX Designer. We have developed an AI-powered web dashboard that doesn't just track debris, it predicts collisions before they happen. Our system analyzes object trajectories in 3D space, classifies risk levels, and sends real-time alerts to satellite operators. It even suggests safe maneuver paths to avoid impact, whether along the X, Y, or Z axis. Our system uses advanced algorithms to calculate distances between the objects in orbit. It identifies potential collisions and classifies them by severity. When a threat is detected, it sends maneuver suggestions to satellites, allowing them to shift positions safely and efficiently. This proactive model reduces risk, protects assets, and ensures mission continuity. Orbit Shield isn't just about protecting satellites. It's about safeguarding astronauts, preserving global communication systems, and enabling deep space missions. It's about ensuring the sustainable use of Earth's orbit so future generations can explore space without fear. Our solution is impactful because it shifts space safety from reactive to proactive, predicting collisions before they occur. By offering real-time alerts and maneuver suggestions, it empowers satellite operators to act swiftly and avoid damage. This not only protects critical infrastructure but also supports long-term sustainability on Earth's orbit. Orbit Shield is a step forward, safer, smarter, and space exploration. Thank you.